Hello children, here we are with the last session of the chapter database query using SQL, and we are going to understand the relational operations in SQL. Now to begin with, we already finished learning the first three sessions or first two sessions properly. The third session we didn't complete, so I'm going to start with that here. Just one small change, yeah. So the first one which you understood how to do is your equijoin. That is your where condition which works with a foreign key. That is, two tables has to be connected where two tables should have a link with each other. The second one was Cartesian product. This is also called as cross join. That is what I told, third one, cross join, or even Cartesian join it is called. So these are same, and there you have to just connect with two tables where a foreign key relationship or foreign key link is not required. And now the third one is union, the next name. So relational operations means the kind of operations which works in a relation in a table. So all these are to be connected with two tables, or any kind of operations leading towards any of these examples should be having two tables. With regard to what we are going to talk in this session is union and other things, you understand that there is a slight change in the way we have already explained. For that, we need to go back to our MySQL. Now, in order to save time, I have already created and kept in our 12 IP. 1 minute, let me just finish this. Yes, in our 12 IP, two other tables which you can see as indoor game and outdoor game. Now DPT and department are the two tables with which we did our Cartesian product. This is our Cartesian product, where the tables, the two tables didn't have any same kind of field name. You can see DNO, DName, lock, EMPID, ENAME, salary, DOJ, and even DPTNO is also different, but they are the same values over here, but fields are not the same. Even with condition of our equijoin, when we put, we have to just make sure that we specify the DPTNO of EMP with respect to the DPT of DNO. That way you will get the corresponding values, isn't it? See, we have only two tables as we told earlier. Yes, so only two rows are selected. With regard to union, when we do, you understand the feature or the important feature by yourself. Look carefully. This is it. Game name point NOP. NOP stands for number of participants. And now I'm having the outdoor game. What is common there? You might have already noticed that the field names are same. Even though the values are different. No, of course, one similar values are there. I mean, one similar record I have put. See, carom stand for some other reason. That means for union, in order to connect with two tables, you need to have same field names for both the tables. Only then the union will work. Now, what is this union going to do? If I write here, select star from outdoor game union, select star from indoor game. You understood, no? You might have already noticed one more thing, that caroms, which is actually present in both the tables, is displayed only one time. Once again, I'll show you. See? Look careful, okay? It's actually 5 plus 3 you have as much, isn't it? See? 8 rows should be there. When you copy in this one, copy that, or when you join that. Or union, when you're unioning means you're joining the two tables values. Basketball, cricket, volleyball, you can badminton. Then here chess and tea tennis and caroms is displayed in both the tables. So caroms is only coming together same only once because similar values are there in the entire records. If one value was different, it would have come differently. You got it, no? Here 10 and 4 is same. You can see here in your volleyball also you have point, and then you have table tennis also you have the same point. The number of participants are same here, but the game name is different, so it is coming separately. So you might have already understood what is union doing. Union actually joins two tables which has the same number of field names and same name in the field name, but values can be different, the number of records can be different, no problem in that. Okay, so the degree and cardinality, you remember, no, in your 11th standard we learned degree and cardinality. Degree is your number of columns. Always a degree will be same for unioning, and cardinality, the number of rows can be different, but it will be joining. If there is a similar one, then it will be displayed only one time, that is union. The next one is intersect. Unfortunately, even if I call it as intersect over here, we don't have such a keyword in MySQL, whereas in other DBMS we have. So you might have already guessed, the meaning of intersect. Intersect means the common should come. Now here the common is which one? Of course, carom. So if I want that to come, you should be writing like this way. Select game name, comma, your this one, any different point from outdoor game where game name, that is a common name, no, game name in, there is an operator called in, no, select game name from indoor game. See, the common one, the common record. So intersection help us to display the common values from a table, the common values only, but that word is actually present in other DBMS. In MySQL we do the same thing with int. So union help us to join the entire two tables records if there is a common record displayed only once, whereas intersect help us to find the common record, the only common record, or the common records, we can say the common records only can be taken from when you do intersection. And the next one is actually called as minus or difference, I can say minus, or we call it as difference, both are same as you know, and that can be understood like this way. Like I wanted to select game point from outdoor games which is not present in the other one. That means from the outdoor game, those game names and point will be selected which is not there. So except caroms, every other record will be displayed. Whereas if I do the same thing with indoor except again carom, you can see here, I'm sorry, I should have written the other way. Alright, so that is your minus and difference. So understand, equijoin is to join two tables with a foreign key relationship. Cartesian product or cross join is to just connect two tables without any other hesitation. Union is to unite the records of two tables where the number of field names and the name of the field names and the number of field names should be same. Intersect also finds a common record from two tables where the number of field names and the field number of field names and the field name should be same. Number and the name of the field name should be same. That way I can put it. Then comes your minus and difference, where you can find the records from one table which is not present in another table. Here also the criteria is the number and the field name should be same. Remember, the records can be different. And then comes our last one, that is natural join. Sorry, it should be join. How to do that? Let's go back to our DPTMP. Select star from DPT Select star from. Okay, there is a problem over here. I know what is the problem because I am again using the old one, natural join. I have to just say EMP. The other one which I just tried was from your old MySQL. That is why I all remembered it. And what is it happening? As you can see over here, it is joining the values from DPT and EMP, which the matching table. See, natural join. So natural join is just joining like our Cartesian product. Correct? No. So you have basically select star from DPT, 4 rows. Select star from EMP. You can see, so natural join does somewhat the same like our Cartesian product. So that is also same. So similar simple join is what our natural join is all about, and only the tables with which you are connecting has some kind of a joining strategy of your foreign key. Let's try the same with our indoor game also, just to see whether it will work or not. You can see. So it works. See, so just connecting the two tables just like our Cartesian product. So that's regarding our tables setup. So natural join is somewhat I'm just showing you from our internet itself. See, from table 1 natural join table, this is how the joins will work in our MySQL, whereas in other SQL DBMS, what I showed like this way also will work. But for you, this is to just understand theoretically and provide example. This example is very important. That is why I showed the example with your indoor game. What I was telling was this way. This way also it should have worked, but it didn't work because this MySQL is not supporting it. So I hope you understood all these things. Anyway, in our online classes, it will be explained once again properly. So don't worry about that differences. Natural join and Cartesian is doing the same thing, but the names are being identified differently. So keep that in mind, and let's wind up the session. So thank you for watching the video, and that completes our chapter. Relational operations in MySQL will come as theory portion asking what is what with quoting some example. So you should be actually ready with an example like this indoor and outdoor games table. Okay, so thank you.